Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but Wayne and I have had a great holiday season with our family and friends over the last month, and I hope you guys had a great one as well. Here are some very real pictures of us over the holiday season. Haters will say it's fake, but you guys know it's legit. Anyway, I know I'm a little late in wishing you guys a happy new year, but since this is my first video of 2026, I thought I'd make a fun little cartoon drawing to wish all of you and get the ball rolling for the new year. So, I hope you enjoy watching me draw this. Well, that's the drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and once again, I hope we all have an amazing year ahead. That's all for now. I'll see you guys at the next drawing board. Bye guys.